Hello and welcome, Peter here, Piotr Fissner. Guys, we get a Polaroid here, and before we will talk about it, I want to switch it on and show you. Well, I did press the power button, so voila. Anytime. Wasting our time. Doesn't want to turn on. Should. Yes, okay. So we see that it's a cracked screen, okay? Now, you're telling me, Peter, why are you showing me TV with a cracked screen? Because I've got a second one here, okay? This is same size when you look at them, and I've got even one more, which is 43 inch, and in the episode number 2 of this Polaroid video we will check if we can swap different model boards and power supplies, but you see the same screen size, yes, and maybe have one from 2. Well, now 4, so 2. So we will check, 1, can we use the same screen size on the second TV? If no, what are the differences and when we can, because we know that we can swap mainboards in Samsungs, not all of the Samsungs, but in some Samsungs, yes. We know that we can't do with every TV that, yes, and we know we need to use conversions, yes, from one mainboard to another T-Con, let's say, yes, that we can use, and I would like to start build a database for them. Okay, so we will see how it is with Polaroids, okay, because I never done such comparison, and I would like to add all the knowledge to bookrepair.online.co.uk, to the forum over there inside, because we are close to building that one, and so all the knowledge we will be sharing inside. That's why if you are interested how it's working, we will hopefully join forces and we can share that knowledge inside. Then we would know how we need to convert one mainboard from one TV to be compatible with a second TV, and we would like to build whole database, yes. So if you've got, let's say, Sony this series, and you've got let's say Panasonic this series, because that's what I have, yes. Now I've got Polaroid, yes, this Polaroid, and as well this series, yes. So then which mainboards we are able to use from which series of other TVs to make them working, okay, and how you can build your own conversion and build your own Frankenstein, yes. So the title for this video is building your own Frankenstein, yes, just because we want to use as many screens with as many other components to build finished product. Yes, you won't sell it to everybody, not everybody want to get it, but if, let's say, if you've got something which is dead anyway, what you gonna do? You know, will you pay £200 for the mainboard for the Panasonic because that's just the X series, or will you throw it away, yes, or will you just line like my other stuff in the corner and waiting for better times? Better build a Frankenstein and find a buyer for it, because at least you can have your money back, less space used, and everyone more is happy, yes? See you in the next video. That will be part 2 of the Frankenstein series. Thank you. Bye bye.